Welcome to our guide on fixing controller drift on your PS4. Controller drift can be a frustrating issue that affects your gaming experience. First, let's discuss how to identify the symptoms of controller drift. You may notice your character moving without touch or aiming inconsistently. Begin with basic troubleshooting. Restart your PS4, check for software updates, and pair your controller again. Next, cleaning the analog sticks can often resolve drift issues. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean around the sticks carefully. You can also adjust the controller settings in the PS4 menu, such as sensitivity and dead zones, to help minimize the effects of drift. For advanced users, there are third-party calibration tools available that can help reset your controller's input settings. If issues persist, you may opt for a factory reset. This will restore your controller to its default state and eliminate persistent drift. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to consider replacing the controller or seeking professional repair services. To prevent future drift, regularly maintain your controller by cleaning it and avoiding extreme conditions. To wrap up, we've covered how to identify, troubleshoot, and fix controller drift on your PS4. Follow these steps for a better gaming experience.